Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos and today I'm going to show you a live example of an ASC campaign that has optimized at the end into profitable numbers just because I had the right information and also a little bit of patience. So I don't want to say a lot, I just want to go to my PC. I want to show you one case that I didn't have information and I was just lucky chasing one good ad in an ASC campaign, and I want to show you a case that I took decisions based on information from several accounts and also based on a little bit of knowledge on the ad account because I'm managing it for 4 years and I know how the ad actually behaves. So let's go on my PC, let's learn together, let's understand more ASC optimization, and I will see you there. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that is going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. So I'm going to show you first the campaign that I had the information that I optimized properly. So this is a campaign that you can see that in the last 7 days it's actually profitable with 2.4 ROAS for this account, break-even ROAS on this account. I actually stopped mentioning break-even ROAS on other accounts. I need to start again because I'm forgetting. Break-even ROAS on this account is 1.5. We want to be above 1.8, ideally above 2. So this is very good to be on 2.4. What do we have here is that we started, as you can see, we did start on the 3rd of January. So this is one of the rare cases that we see an ASC campaign actually, while it's having turned on all the ads, we have only 6 ads, and we started with a budget of 300. What we're seeing is that in these ads, there's no spend, okay? So we have a really dominant ad. I will tell you also what we do in this kind of campaigns, but bear with me. Let's start here on Friday 3rd. We do have very good results. It's dominant ad since day 1, okay? And then we have these results, okay? On these 3 days, there's no point of me playing every single day. We have these results with 1.10. Now, most of the times, most people, what they would do is that they would close this one to liberate the budget to the others. They would say that these ones are not spending, or the creative team is going to come and they're going to say that it doesn't spend enough, you have to test the others, blah, blah. But let me tell you what kind of information I had. First of all, this is a strong ad account. It's not an account which I'm afraid, let's say. I believe in the pixel, I believe in the optimization, I believe in the products. The second thing which I need to say is that this Saturday and Sunday in January, the 4th and the 5th, was very bad, like the 2 worst days that we had seen on January. And also the behavior on the ad account on this period was actually not good also. So we had 2.02, while in this period, in the first 3 days, we had 2.6, and then in the next days after that, we had this. I guess 2.04 it wasn't, but I'm including Monday, sorry. Let's include these days. We had this, we had 2.4. So it was just a bad period of these days. How can I spot this in another account if I don't have access with many other accounts? There are 2 or 3 ways to actually see it. So if you're getting here in these days, you're getting 3. You're getting in Friday, you're getting 2.07. So it starts dropping. Then you're getting 1.89. Then you're getting 2.13, okay? Then you're getting 1.78, and then it starts picking up, okay? That means that you're in a period which is not very stable in the ad account. Of course, if the ad account is stable and it's not doing this anyway. Second way, if you have cost caps and bid caps, which we are explaining much more inside the new course, and you can see there, because I cannot make videos about them, it's extremely difficult to explain them. Over there, if you see the spending slowing down, that means that we are under a period where basically the people are spending more money, which means that the bids are rising, because in the cost caps and bid caps the bids are daily. That means in the other campaigns also, but over there we actually bid for what we want. That means that you don't have to follow the bidding of the other people. Let them lose their money, and the market is going to autocorrect again to normal numbers and to the numbers that we're going to be profitable. So this campaign was unfortunate enough to run in a period that it was really bad. I knew that also because I have information across 40 or 50 accounts that I manage, and my friends manage another 40. I have my students, so we have access to many, and we always talk every day to see the trends of the day. And we knew that this weekend was bad across accounts. So what did I do? I did give it more time. Given the fact also that it's not hurting me. Why? Because I'm working with average results and I could absorb it and all of that. So this is a campaign that I optimized not with knowledge into the data analysis, but with outside information, like that the weekend was bad and that I can give it more time to see what is going to happen. The second thing which was crucial for this campaign is that I didn't have any replacements, so it's either closing this or just leaving it, because if I close it, then I just liberate the budget and I don't know what's going to happen with the rest. So the whole optimization here happened by me not optimizing on the ad level based on the results that I see, but by me having the information about the weekend being bad and knowing the ad account and knowing how it behaves and the numbers that I see, if it's considered a strong day or a slower day. The other thing that I need to mention over here before we go to the other account that I actually optimized by watching numbers, and I was actually able to make it profitable. By the way, here, let's see what's happened initially. So if we go from Thursday to here, the results is on 1.66, which is not something that we want. And if we go here, the results is on 2.55. Now, the ideal thing to do here, of course, is since these haven't been tested, you just duplicate the whole campaign without this one, okay? And you run the campaign all over again. I will come in the future with a video with the results of those so that we can understand that if they could have sales on their own, or if this one was actually a really, really dominant ad that was taking the budget and it had the reason to do so.
Daddy, chill.
So as I said, one of the rare cases that we have here, just one ad taking all of the budget and we don't have a second leading ad and all of that. Okay, it's dominant, but this is the ultimate dominant ad. Let's go to the other campaign. Let me show you how I optimized this other campaign. Because this other campaign was a little bit different. And if we come here, this one starts on January 2. Again, we have a campaign that starts on January 2, and I feel like this campaign has been impacted also by this stupid weekend, okay? So on January 2, let's see, we do have this one, 1.87, it started okay? On Friday, we start seeing 1.95, and then it starts to drop after that point. So you see when I'm saying that I was seeing this behavior also on other ad accounts, so I knew. Okay, so in this case over here we do have also bad results. Of course, it's not an ad account that I trust like the other, and the results over here continue to be bad. So I'm just trying to optimize by closing leading ads, and I'm seeing this specific ad, which I want to mention over here, that on the 7th it's actually taking a lot of budget, almost all of the budget. Then we're seeing that it's actually losing. No, it's actually continuing having a lot of budget. All the other ads, the other 25 ads that I have over there for this reason, because I don't trust the ad account and I want to have space to optimize, close this one, close this one, close this one until I find something. Then we come here, we see that this one had actually had one good day over here. And if we continue, then it became really worse, like having 927 spent with these results. Over here, we were having good results because of this, but this was becoming a dominant ad. We couldn't leave it anyway, because if we leave it, then we will eventually have very bad results in the last period. And let's see what happened here. We can see that it has these results again. The second time I believe that it has done it like this. This is the point that I close it. We are not going to see it having spent again, and this is the point that the campaign is picking up again, finding others that they're going to work. This one I don't close immediately just because one day it has these results. I'm getting 1.85, which is a very big thing for me and a very big improvement. 1.83, My leading ad now is actually being profitable. Continue. Again, I'm optimizing based on the fact that this is a leading ad. We have a second ad which is taking some budget. It doesn't matter if it's this. It matters that the average result is good. And then we continue the 16. I think today it has done also well. A problematic behavior over here, I must admit. Let me see. Oh, no. Because I checked the second. I thought that this one actually lost budget and became the second leading ad, which was something that we should be worried, but it wasn't. So everything is fine. So in the last 7 days, this campaign is on 1.96. Let's see the maximum period of this campaign, and we haven't recovered yet. We need to spend more money with these kind of results in order for us to be able to overcome it. But here, I want to take you to the trip of 7 days results so that you can see 1 to 7. We're having 1.4. We're having leading ads here, taking the budget that it wasn't good, because these are the results that I'm also seeing when I'm optimizing. 3 and all of these two, they're not winning, but I have a third one, which I'm seeing that it has some potential. Okay, so eventually I will have to take a decision to close the ones that are not working and just work with this one that is actually working. And I'm taking these decisions later on. As you can see, most likely I'm taking this decision over here. So this is the point that I'm taking the decision to actually close the others, and this one is starting taking budget, and the campaign is started to look better since that point on the last 7 days period. It's actually improving all the time. This is an optimization that I have done over here based on knowledge and by just watching average results, initiate checkouts, CPMs, and many more other things that I'm not mentioning right now, just for the sake of making this video a little bit smaller because it's already big. And the other one is optimization that you do based on information, based on the knowledge that you might have that the creative is good anyway, so that you will give it time based on the fact that you know that it was a bad weekend anyway. So you cannot judge this campaign like this, especially if you have access to many accounts and you see all of these patterns of the results across accounts. As always, I'm trying to show you case studies or things that I find intriguing or interesting. This is not a flex game, just to clarify. This is so that I can prove to you that you can become better with optimization and stuff. I'm still becoming better day by day. A lot of my students that I'm teaching on the Chosen 5 programs and stuff, they help me because, you know, when you teach, you don't only teach, you also get from people by working on their ad accounts and stuff. And of course, with a lot of people that came from the YouTube channel to work with me. Recently, we published a video with a live case study of one campaign ad account structure and how I'm turning this around. So I wouldn't have all of this information and I wouldn't have all of these ad accounts and all of this access to information, as I said, if I didn't have YouTube and all of you. And thank you very much also for your questions. I'm trying to answer all of them, as you know. Don't forget, guys, that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website. You can check also my mentorship programs that you can see also in my website, just below the testimonials from the people that they have completed, and we're working daily on teaching to them optimization. They're not spots right now open, obviously, because of the course, but they will be in the future. And maybe you're watching this video later on. So until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.